So all the recent talk has been about that unfortunate lightning incident in the Manning Cup game between Jamaica College and Wolmer's at the Stadium East. And the search, as usual, is on for someone to blame. With the easiest targets being the referees. Them should have blown off the game from the first sign of danger. Some people saying Issa should have a lightning policy in place. All kind of after the fact and hindsight brilliance. But having spoken to the referee who was in the middle, the man with the discretionary power to call off the game if he deemed it dangerous, the referee said in those moments before the incident, neither he nor his team saw any imminent danger, and thus he proceeded with the game. So instead of being caught up with this blame gaming, Issa might now need to establish a lightning protocol that errs on the side of caution. So the first sign of lightning, and the referee then must blow off the game and then evaluate. After all, these are still amateur schoolboys under the care of the schools, and the safety of the students must be of paramount importance. But this thing about the referee should have done this and Issa should have done that is like saying that the Maverick should have grown here, or we should have bleached the face, or the horse should have never been slim, and the cow should have never been fat, and the dog should have been the cat, and the cat should have been the dog.